Good day everybody, welcome back to the platform. A lot of you have been asking me to give the Staten Island Railway a chance. Well, I finally did during my trip in New York, and as a result I've also got a few Munipals so I can recreate them on my channel every now and then. So without further ado, let's unbox the R44, see how they look. So here we are, the R44 Staten Island Railway. Of course, goes from Tottenville to St. George's, where it connects with the Staten Island Ferry, which runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And compared to the subways, the American flag is put on sideways, and there are some other decals on the doors, or unlike the subways as well, because the subway ones are inside the doors, not outside the doors. But overall, the shape and size is definitely the same as the R46. But the interesting thing I do like to raise is that within the subway Transit Museum, sorry, not Subway Museum, but New York Transit Museum, one of the carriages is an R44. It's not an R46, but they're similar in many ways. So here we are, 4 R44 Staten Island Railway trains. Each and every one of them are beautifully finished. In fact, I would like to point out, apart from being built in 2023, if you look closer, there are sparkly paints. So it looks like the newer trains following the paint scheme of the R46W trains. If you remember the latest release, they have sparkly paints and also very gloss. You see the gloss on top of the sparkly paint. It looks very, very lovely indeed. And of course, I can't wait to produce many videos with them, so bring you more joy, and of course give Staten Island Railway a fair go, you say. So I finally listened to you and finally got it. I just need to put some details into it and get to work as to try to create at least 1 or 2 stations on the SIR. So here are some interesting facts about the Staten Island Railway. They're all there, you can read it yourself. But it goes as far back as 1860, and the train lines are grade separated. So there's no railway crossing, unlike in many other cities around the world. Railway crossings are a bit of a nuisance. They can be quite dangerous and quite noisy at night time as well, given that the SIR, along with the subway, runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Nobody wants to have some railway crossing bells ringing right beside their bedroom, would they? And of course, the main fact is that the R44 Staten Island Railways, they run in the pairs of 4s. So I'm not so sure about the R211s, but I will definitely keep my eye out, see what the upcoming operations will be like. So without further ado, let's go for a test run, see how they perform. And just before we finish, a bit of a quick discussion regarding the 2023 Staten Island Railway versus the 2020 Munipals Staten Island Railway. Doesn't clip together like this when it comes to the magnets. It's to be clipped like this instead. What do you think? Leave your views in the comment section below so I can have a read about your thoughts. And don't forget to join me at 10:30 a.m. for the Avenue U R68 and R46 subway action. See you at the platform.